Hi, and welcome to our top 3 tips of installing ThermoSphere Mesh, our electric underfloor heating. Top tip number 1, never cut the yellow cable. You might be tempted to do this if the heating mat you've ordered or have been supplied with is a little bit too big for the floor area. But please don't do it, and here's why. By cutting the yellow heating cable, you'll increase the resistance, which will cause it to run too hot, and the system will eventually fail. You'll also invalidate your lifetime warranty. So, what should you do if your cable or mesh mat is too long? Well, first of all, if you haven't cut the cable or the mesh, then simply return it to your stockist for a same-day exchange for the size you need. Number 2, if you're a member of ThermoSphere CONNECT, our installer program, fear not. We'll send out a replacement mat the next day, but only if the floor finish hasn't been laid. Top tip number 2, test 3 times. First of all, when you first get your mat out of the box. Secondly, once you've laid your ThermoSphere mesh mat to ensure no accidental damage has been made while installing. And thirdly, when the floor finish has been laid, making sure no damage occurred during that flooring installation. What test do you need to do? Well, first of all, a resistance test. This checks the heating cable has not been cut and will heat as expected. Test number 2 is an insulation resistance test, checking for breaks in the electrical insulation of the heating elements that could cause your heating to trip the breaker or RCD. You'll need to make sure the tests have been completed so you can register your underfloor heating system for a lifetime warranty. If you're not sure how to test your electric underfloor heating, then check out our videos or our blog. Top tip number 3, install a spare floor sensor. If there's ever an issue with underfloor heating thermostat, which is very rare, 9 times out of 10 it's related to the floor sensor. That's why we recommend installing floor sensors in a conduit, so they can be replaced easily, or install a spare. Although the thermostat can be changed to air sensing mode, as a quick fix, it really isn't advisable. Why, you ask? Well, without accurate floor temperature sensing, you can't limit the maximum floor temperature, and your heating won't work as efficiently as it would be with a floor sensor installed. So, don't forget that spare floor sensor. That's it. With these 3 simple but effective tips, you're bound to make everyone happy. Plus, you'll have a great installation and a happy homeowner. For a detailed guide on how to install ThermoSphere Mesh, watch ThermoSphere Mesh Installation, the complete guide, on our YouTube channel or directly on our website. Just check out the links below. Thanks for watching. You can find out more information about us and our products at www.thermosphere.com. Hi, and welcome to our 3 top tips for installing the ThermoSphere Mesh electric underfloor heating system. Hello, and welcome to a quick top tip guide. How to check. Have you ever